Hey everybody, what's up? Mark Supsick here. I wanted to show you the beautiful wines that are in this latest weekly tasting pack that I put together. It's called Taste the Volcano. Nero D'Avola is one of the most famous grapes from the south of Italy and considered to be one of the flagship grapes coming from Sicily. So it'll be really interesting to taste this 2018 here from Baglio di Pianetto. This wine also comes from their Baroni estate, which is located in the south of the country, and I expect this to be a little bit more juicy and a little bit more high in alcohol. And you can see this is already slightly darker than the prior red wine. Nero in Italian actually means black. And the theme continues. The first two wines were really strong and aromatic, and so is this one, but in a different way. The first two were floral. This one is funky. Funky in a sort of like sea salt, ocean briny sort of way. It's a lot more tannic, first of all, but secondly, the red fruit characters in this are quite different. I'm getting more cranberry and also pomegranates. We're talking about an organic winemaker here, so they're sort of stepping back out of the process and letting the grapes' natural beauty shine through. So what we're seeing here is more tannin, and also that funkiness that's coming through is coming from wild yeast fermentation. It's definitely one of the more earthy versions of this wine that I've tasted, and it was really a pleasure to try it. All right, thanks so much for checking out these wines for me, and I hope you can get the opportunity to get this weekly tasting for yourself. I'll see you there. Cheers.